Welcome to Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we will learn about how to use Prerequisites Addon. If you enable this feature, students must complete one or more courses before enrolling in a particular course. This is a pro feature of Masteriyo, so you must have any of our premium plans to activate this feature. First, go to Add-ons. Search for Prerequisite Addon. Then enable it. After this, navigate to Masteriyo Courses. Select and edit the course on which you want to add a prerequisite course. Go to Settings. Then, you can find Prerequisites here. Enable this feature. Now, you can add multiple courses from the drop-down menu. Or, you can search for the course that you want. After you select your courses, don't forget to update settings. Now, you can see that if you try to buy or open this course, there is a note saying you have to buy the following courses before you can enroll this course, which are the courses that we selected previously. So that's it for how you can set up our premium prerequisite add-on. If you have any queries regarding any of the steps, you can contact our support team. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.